Consider the 2.6 unit by 3.4 unit rectangle shown below. Use the rectangle to explain where the decimal point will be located in the product 2.6 times 3.4 without finding the actual answer. Okay, so what this picture shows is that I have some wholes, I have some tenths, and I have some hundredths. So what I'm interested in is the number of hundredths. So I'm just going to add these up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 4. So I have 24 hundredths. Which means I'm going to have a digit in the hundredths place, right? So 24 hundredths is 2 tenths and 4 hundredths. So I'm going to have a 4 in the hundredths place. So my answer will have a 4 in the hundredths place. I haven't figured out how many wholes or tenths I have, but I know I'm going to have 4 hundredths. Okay, so I know that there are going to be 2 places after the decimal point. Okay. Now, what if I had 10 hundredths instead of 24 hundredths, or 20 hundredths instead of 24 hundredths? So this is just a little aside. What if there were 30 hundredths, right? That's 3 tenths and 0 hundredths. So the answer would have only tenths. Um, there would be no digit in the hundredths place because there are 0 hundredths. So the answer will only have one place after the decimal. Okay, so now I want to actually find the answer, 2.6 times 3.4, without doing the multiplication algorithm. I just want to use the picture. So each of these big squares is a whole. So I have 6 wholes. Okay, how many tenths do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 sets of 4, so that's 8 tenths. Okay, and then down here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 3 sets of 6 tenths, which is 18 tenths. And then I have some hundredths. I have 6 by 4, I have 24 hundredths. Okay, so now I'm just going to convert those to decimals. 6 wholes, 8 tenths, 18 tenths. So that would be 1 whole and 8 tenths because every 10 tenths makes a whole. So this is 1 whole and 8 tenths. And then 24 hundredths, that is 0.24. 24 hundredths, 2 tenths and 4 hundredths. Add these up. Okay, so 6 plus 0.8 is 6.8. And 1.8 plus 0.24 is 2.04. So when I add those, I get 8.84. Calculate 2.6 times 3.4. Verify you get the answer from part B, which was 8.84. Okay, so the procedure is we do 26 times 34 without any decimal points. So 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Cross that out, 0. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then we add 4, 8, 8. And then I know my answer would be 884. And I have to figure out where to put the decimal point. And I say there's one place after the decimal point in the first factor. There's one place after the decimal point in the second factor. So I add 1 plus 1, 2 places after the decimal point means I have to put it there. 8.84, that's the same thing we got as in part B.